Hi everybody, I'm Fidel's monkey. Yeah, she's a pet monkey, and that's me. Excuse me for a second. Just got a scratch. Okay, I'm back. What? Fake me. What? No, I'm just making a video to go on YouTube. Thank you. Okay, well, I don't know now. On YouTube. I'll be back with Monkey Weekly.